So guys, you may have heard of a service called Honeyminer and thought, what in the heck is that? Well, Honeyminer is a way for you to mine cryptocurrency with the graphics card you have at home in your home computer. You can use what you have at home to start mining cryptocurrencies at the click of a button. So you don't have to be super technical, you don't have to know a bunch of stuff about mining. All you have to do is sign up. So that being said, if you need to, pause this video, go sign up for Honeyminer. I left a link in the comments below and I left a link in the description below, so it's super easy to find. Go over there and make an account, come back to this video and I'll teach you how to use it. Guys, the real benefit of Honeyminer is that you can get completely set up to mine cryptocurrency for free. You don't have to buy anything else. If you have a computer at home, you can get started. You can do it right away. That is the benefit. So you can mine cryptocurrency for free. You don't have to buy GPUs. You don't have to buy an ASIC. That's great. So fantastic. If you've made an account for Honeyminer, you've pretty much done all of the hard work that you're gonna have to do to get this set up. So just to give you a little bit of background information, Honeyminer is essentially a really fancy and easy way to get into the game of a mining pool. So what a mining pool is, it's taking all the computing resources, all the graphics card power that people have and sort of meshing it together and focusing it all into mining cryptocurrency. The reality is your one measly graphics card could not do anything. It couldn't even compete. It wouldn't even be close to succeeding in mining Bitcoin or Ethereum, etc., because the difficulty is just too high. Your computer would blow up. And funny story, I did blow up one of my laptops trying to mine cryptocurrency in my dorm room my sophomore year of college. So don't try that at home. But now that if you're using your Honeyminer application, you can go ahead and safely mine cryptocurrency as a member of a pool. So you can profit pretty handsomely over a course of, several weeks, months, even years, if you just kind of let this app do its thing. Now, I have a NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti. I probably make about $2.50 to $3 per day running Honeyminer. That's not that much money, and I understand that. But if you think about it over the course of a year, if you were to run that, that's a pretty solid amount of money. I mean, that's, 7 days a week times 3, that's $21 a week times 52. Okay, it's like thousands of dollars. So that's pretty solid. So if you have multiple graphics cards, you can sort of multiply that out. And yes, it does take electricity, but I think depending on where you live, it's not gonna cost nearly the amount to run it as you would make. So I wouldn't worry too much about that. So I mean, you can make $80 a month with one graphics card. And that's $80 you didn't have before. So I actually do think that's a pretty solid deal. Now, obviously, if you want to scale this up, you could. You wanted to get a bunch of graphics cards and set up a little mining rig and just make a little bit more money, you can do that. But this is a way for people to introduce themselves into mining and just be a part of this game. Now, here's the thing. Obviously, you make less profit going through this service than if you were doing this on your own, but here's the catch. It's so much easier and you don't have to buy a bunch of stuff to do it. So I would recommend giving Honeyminer a try. If it's not for you, no worries. But I think if you really wanted to give mining a try and you have no clue where to start, Honeyminer is the place to start. So if you haven't already signed up, go to the link in the comments section below or in the description section below and go sign up. Now guys, as promised, I'm gonna show you super quickly and super simply how to get Honeyminer set up. So let's go ahead and do that. All right guys, first things first, all you gotta do is head over to honeyminer.com and hit the big monster download button there at the top, and it will download the program for you. This program is completely safe. I've had no issues. Your antivirus software may or may not tell you it's unsafe, but you can definitely add an exception. It's completely solid, don't worry about it. So once you start, you're gonna get a little bonus. So you get 1,000 Satoshis, which is really worth a whole lot of nothing. But, still 7 cents, why not? So Honeyminer is on. As soon as you turn this on, it starts to run and boom, you're pretty much good to go. So here are some of your settings. you can set it up to start when Windows starts up, and you can set whether you want your GPU, CPU, or both to be mining at any given time. I just leave both of them on because it does increase my earnings. You can also go over to this miner console. And what this does is this kind of shows you what it would look like if you were kind of mining on your own. So right now you can see I'm actually mining Monero and Monocoin. So that's pretty solid. We've got all this stuff running here in the background. If you want to check that it's working, you can always go to this miner console and check that out to make sure. So you can see here I have one GPU mining and one CPU mining. And basically what that means is that both of these bad boys are running to try and help make me some money. So as you can see, I quite literally downloaded this app, opened it for the first time, got my little bonus, and Honeyminer was set to on, and I was completely good to go. I didn't have to do anything, no technical stuff, no coding, no anything. And now I'm mining cryptocurrency, and I can kind of go about my business, do whatever I want. Now, the one caveat here is if you're running Premiere Pro or you're doing Photoshop or something that's really intensive on your CPU, GPU, I just turn Honeyminer off while you're doing that because it can interfere with your workflow. It's taking up some compute resources, so that would be my recommendation to you. So guys, it's really that simple. If you want to get started mining cryptocurrency, this is the way to go. It's super easy. You just run it without having to do anything at all. You can do this on your laptop, your PC, pretty much anywhere you want. The only thing is mining is not yet available on Mac, but it's coming soon. So definitely stay tuned for that. Guys, I really hope that this video was helpful for you, and I hope that if you're thinking about getting started with mining, you'll give Honeyminer a try just so you can kind of get your feet wet, think about what the process is, and just start making some money on the side. And if you love mining, then you can start to learn. There's so many videos on YouTube, there's so many people to learn from, and start building out your mining expertise and make more money in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I answer every single comment to the best of my ability. And definitely don't forget to watch a couple more of my videos. I will link them here for you to click. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button like you mean it. Hit that bell notification so we can hang out every single week, at least 3 times a week. Thanks guys, cheers.